That's awesome, man.
What's up, guys? My brother out here, Luke the welder, showing me how to use the plasma table today. We're training. Hope you guys enjoy.
A lot of fumes, so we need to have a fan blowing the fumes out of the shop. So I've turned my machine on and we're about to hit run. We've got our software loaded, we've got our job loaded, we're in position, ready to go, and we're gonna run the job right now. We're done cutting. Let's see how this thing turned out. Oh, wow. That's incredible. Dude, that's awesome, man.